Planning your dream kitchen but stuck between acrylic versus laminate finishes? आज इस वीडियो में करेंगे इनका अल्टीमेट फेस ऑफ so you can choose what suits your style, budget and lifestyle. Let's kick things off with acrylic finish. Essentially a high gloss plastic like sheets that's bonded onto any substrate like HMR, MDF, chipboard. The result? A sleek reflective surface that instantly gives your kitchen a modern luxe vibe. Merino have its own acrylic laminates called Acrylic. They have a premium acrylic finish known for its 6H scratch resistance and UV protection. It's designed to keep your kitchen looking flawless and bright for years, resisting scratches and fading. Now let's talk about laminate finish. It is made of layers of craft paper, decorative paper and overlay layer. The beauty? You get infinite options. Matte, wood grain, stone, abstract, you name it. In the laminates world, Merino offers largest design collection of high pressure laminates that really stands out. It is super strong, heat and moisture resistant and stylish. Perfect for everyday kitchen use without the worry of wear and tear. Now let's compare acrylic and laminate across some key aspects. Look, durability, maintenance, price, variety and eco-impact. So you get the full picture before making your choice. Starting with looks, acrylic offers an ultra glossy, bold color palette that instantly brightens up your kitchen. Laminate, on the other hand, offers a wide range of gloss, matte to texture finishes, from wood grains to marbles to abstract patterns. Durability-wise, acrylic surfaces need gentle handling, while laminate is more resilient, handling heat, moisture and everyday wear like a pro. When it comes to maintenance, acrylic's glossy finish means you will need to clean fingerprints and smudges regularly to keep it sparkling. Laminate is a low maintenance winner. Just a quick wipe with microfiber cloth and you are good to go. And budget? Acrylic finishes come at a premium price, while laminate gives you style and durability without breaking the bank. To check laminate prices, visit the Design Explorer on our website और अपना पिन कोड डालो for best local prices. Fast, easy, sorted. You can try out our Tough Gloss MR Plus if you're looking for unmatched shine, strength and effortless upkeep. As India's leading high gloss, scratch resistant laminate, it brings you the glam with the added bonus of durability and easy cleaning. One simple wipe and it's sparkling again. Design options are another big factor. Acrylic shines mostly in vibrant solid colors, great for a contemporary look. Laminate, it's your playground with endless design choices like wood, stone and patterns. Plus for the eco-conscious, laminate tends to have a lower carbon footprint, making it a greener choice. If your vibe is sleek, shiny, modern, and you don't mind giving a little care, then go for acrylic. It's perfect for that premium modular kitchen feel. अगर चाहिए durability, variety और easy maintenance, all on a budget, तो laminate's best choice है. हर स्टाइल और हर मूड के लिए डिजाइन अवेलेबल है. देखिए कुछ रियल किचन्स, एक्रिलिक का शाइन और लेमिनेट का चार्म, दोनों के अपने अलग ही बेनिफिट्स हैं. इमेजिन करिए कौन सा लुक आपके किचन में बेस्ट लगेगा. स्टिल कंफ्यूज्ड? विजिट द मेरिनो एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर, जहां आप टच और फील कर सकते हैं फिनिशेस को खुद, या फिर एक्सप्लोर करिए फुल कलेक्शन ऑनलाइन. लिंक्स नीचे दिए गए हैं. अब बताओ आप किस टीम में हैं? टीम एक्रिलिक या टीम लेमिनेट? कमेंट करना मत भूलना. लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब भी करो.